hey everybody, you're just in time for the great unboxing. Dav Pilkey's Dog Man and Friends, it's Power Up with Reading Kit, and it comes courtesy of Every Child a Reader and the Children's Book Council as part of a team up with Dav Pilkey and Scholastic to commemorate Children's Book Week, November 3rd through 9th. It's a celebration of books and the connections they bring through reading, sharing, telling stories, an ocean of stories, which is the theme for Children's Book Week. But enough talking, I want to see what's in this box, and I'm sure that you do too. Okay, first of all, we have some posters, a whole tablet of posters. Dog Man and Friends Get Caught Reading. What do you say we blanket the school with these? That will be amazing. Oh, we have Dog Man and Friends Epic Activity Guide. It's great for ages 5 and up. So teachers, I hope you make use of the activities in this guide. Here is a timeline of Dav Pilkey through the years, covering a lot of his, when he wrote different books, highlighting different characters. We have, oh my, what's this? We have a large size poster, similar to the one that I showed you that was bound in tablets. Well, this is a much larger version, so that's sure to go up in a very special location, maybe right here in the library. Okay, and now we're getting into books. We have a full-color Captain Underpants, which is his very first epic novel in the Captain Underpants franchise. Dav Pilkey, A Friend for Dragon. We have the first Dog Man book. That's sure to spark a lot of readers. We have Cat Kid Comic Club, again, the first one in the series. That is a series that it delights me. I love it so much. The Adventures of Super Diaper Baby. That should be a lot of fun for a lot of kids. And we have Dog Man, A Tale of Two Kitties, continuing the adventures of Dog Man. And so, wow, the books and resources in the Dav Pilkey Power Up with Reading Kit are sure to spark so much joy among our readers in our SRCSA community. I want to encourage everyone to read and to celebrate during Children's Book Week, and you'll find a link to more information about Children's Book Week in the description for this video. Happy reading, everybody.